channel Soumya Sanskriti, and I hope you all are doing very great. So, guys, I hope you are healthy and safe. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आपको टाइटल से तो पता ही चल गया होगा दैट ये वीडियो है क्रेजी रील्स फ्रॉम अमेजन की तरफ से एंड द मेन थिंग और प्रोडक्ट इज for this video is water purifiers, but as we know Republic Day is coming, so sale is on Amazon. So guys, do check it out. सिर्फ water purifiers पे नहीं और भी products हैं, बहुत सारे products हैं. I mean to say ऑलमोस्ट ऑल प्रोडक्ट्स पे काफ़ी अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स आते हैं. बस प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू ग्रैब दोज डिस्काउंट्स. एंड so guys, as we know, there is great Republic Day sale on Amazon from 17th to 20th January. So guys, please do check. So guys, do check the discounts on, of course, Amazon, and please stay tuned for the video I'm going to show and the deals which I'm going to show for the products. वाटर प्योरीफायर्स एंड उसके लिंक्स नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको मिल जाएंगे. सो आप उस पर टैप कर सकते हैं, आप सीधे रीडायरेक्ट हो जाएंगे. अगर आप ये वीडियो क्रेजी डील्स फ्रॉम अमेजन फेसबुक पेज पे देख रहे हैं, सो ऑफकोर्स आपको पोस्ट पे इटसेल्फ डील लिंक्स मिल जाएंगे. एंड अगर आप ये वीडियो यूट्यूब पे देख रहे हैं तो ऑफकोर्स आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक्स मिल जाएंगे. सो गाइस, स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर द वीडियो अहेड. थैंक यू. Deals from Amazon by Soumya Sanskriti. So here we are at the deal post which we discussed earlier. So guys, let's check out the deal links. ये एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी पे है, बट ऑफ कोर्स वी नो दैट राइट नाउ देयर इज रिपब्लिक डे सेल गोइंग ऑन अमेजन. सो अगर आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी या प्रोडक्ट चूज करना चाहते हैं, परचेज करना चाहते हैं, तो आपको अच्छे डील्स एंड डिस्काउंट्स मिल सकते हैं. सो गाइस, नाउ लेट get back to this. Let's check it out. Okay, I'm tapping on it. So yeah, here we are. This is A.O. Smith's Z5 water purifier, baby safe water with 8-stage purification. So you can also check the video images, right? Okay. All right. The MRP was 19,500, but you're getting this for 13,998, and you will be saving 5,502 rupees. That is, there is 28% off on this product. Of course, there are many selling options that you can choose, right? So you can also get it for by choosing EMI option. You can also check the detailed information and the very detailed information and the similar products. So let's go back, and the deal prices updated. So let's go check another one. So this is Eureka Forbes AquaGuard or a UVE boiling ultra filtration active copper mineral guard technology water purifier. And as we know, बीच में आर काफ़ी चल रहे थे, बट नाउ एक्वागार्ड इज बैक अगेन. So let's check out the pictures. Okay, let's check this video.
Presenting Eureka Forbes AquaGuard Aura water purifier in color black and copper. The water purifier comes with active copper technology that provides the goodness of copper in water. The UV e-boiling technology ensures that every drop of water is as.
So guys, this was one short description. You can check it out. Okay, the MRP is rupees 16,500 and the deal of the day is 9,999, and you are saving rupees 6,501 rupees. That is 39% off on this product. Yeah, you can check different sellers, selling options, and okay, with exchange you can get up to rupees 850 off, and the original discount price is this. So guys, Uh, so guys, if you're Prime member, you can definitely get the product earliest possible. Um, and if you're not a Prime member, of course, you'll be getting this product within a week or according to your location. So I hope you like this, and you can check out the detailed information below and what you can buy with it. And of course, this is the information about this features. So okay, right now it is said that aquaguards are good for children's better than RO. So it's one thing which I've heard, but it is up to you. So let's check this one, and also check. We can check the price is updated here. So let's go check another one. This is actual Pureit Eco Water Safe Mineral RO plus UV plus MFS wall mounted or countertop black 10 liter water purifier. Let's check the images here. Right. So it was worth rupees 21,000, but the deal is 12,498. That is you're saving 8,500 rupees. That is 40% off. So it's a good deal. So you can check the images and the detailed information down below, and what you can buy with this product, the accessories, and of course you can check here the information about it, and also you can compare it with different products, and you can buy it according to your feasibility. So let's go back. So price is updated. So let's check another one. Okay, this one. Okay, this is Can Supreme 2020 water purifier. Let's check the images here. Okay, its worth was 19,500, and you'll be getting it for 11,499. That is, you're saving 8,001 rupees. So there is 41% off on this product. So if you're Prime member, of course, you'll be getting the delivery earliest possible, and if you're not, you'll be getting according to your location. So there are some product variants which you can choose from here, and accordingly उसके deal prices भी change हो रहे हैं. For example, this one is worth 21,000, and you'll be getting it for 14,999, and of course 29% off. So you can check it from here, of course. Okay, so let's go down. You can check the information about the product, the detailed information, what you can buy with it, the accessories, and also you can compare its features with different products, different similar products, and of course uh, its advanced products also. So let's go back. Okay, the price is updated. So let's check this one. So guys, this is Can Gold 20 liters. You have technology based gravity water purifier white. So let's check the images. Okay, let's check this video.
Congratulations on buying Kent Gold Purifier, which is a part of India's topmost selling range of non-electric gravity UF purifiers. Your Kent Gold purifies water by a 3-stage filtration method without using any harmful chemicals. In the first stage, the water passes through a sediment filter that removes dirt and impurities. After this, the water passes through a carbon block filter that removes organic and chemical impurities like chlorine. This way, any foul smell in the water goes away.
So guys, this was a quick update about the product. You can check it out. So guys, it was worth rupees 3200, and the deal is 2326. That is, you're saving 874 rupees. That is, it is 27% off in this product. And of course, these deals are for 3 days, and these deals are under Republic Day sale. So guys, do check these out. So guys, of course, like any other product, you can check what you can buy with it and the similar products and the detailed information about it. So let's go back. So as we can see, the price is updated here. So here we are. This is Eureka Forbes Aqua Sheer from AquaGuard Delight. So let's check the images. Okay, it's loading a bit. So let's check the images. Okay, it was going to be 16,000 and the deal is 8498. That is, you're saving 7502. That is this 47% off on this product, and you can also request for installation provided by Eureka Forbes. You can check the images here. Okay, you can check the detailed information, and there are different similar products, and you can also compare it with different products and of course the features about it, right? And there this exchange offer, and you can get some more discount, and of course without exchange, this is the price here. Yeah, right. Okay, there are also variants here which you can choose, right? So let's go back. And as we can see, the price is updated here. So let's go back to this one. Okay, this is Eureka Forbes Aqua Shore from AquaGuard. Let's check the images. All right, the MRP was 6950, but you are getting this for 5299. That is, you're saving 1651, 24% off. Okay, एंड ऑफ कोर्स डिलीवरी मैंने आपको बता ही दिया. अगर आप प्राइम मेंबर है तो ऑफ कोर्स आपको जल्दी डिलीवरी मिल जाएगी. एंड ऑफ कोर्स अगर नॉन प्राइम मेंबर है दैन अकॉर्डिंग टू योर लोकेशन आपको डिलीवरी मिलेगी. यू कैन चेक द लोकेशन फ्रॉम हेयर. ऑलराइट, सो ऑफ कोर्स आप डिफरेंट सेलर्स भी चूज़ कर सकते हैं. अगर एक प्रोडक्ट के बहुत सारे सेलर्स हैं, सो आप अपनी फिजिबिलिटी के हिसाब से सेलर्स चूज़ कर सकते हैं, राइट? ओके, एज दिस वन अदर ऑप्शन, राइट? या, सो लेट्स गो बैक. ऑफ कोर्स जिस सेलर से आपको प्रोडक्ट लेस प्राइस में मिल रहा है, ऑफ कोर्स यू वुड बी गोइंग फॉर इट, बट डू चेक द डिलीवरी. समटाइम्स डिलीवरी में एक्स्ट्रा चार्जिंग हो जाती है, सो यू मे end up paying more from the different seller, of course. So please do compare it so that you get the best deal, best price. So let's go back, and of course you can check the detailed information down below. Okay, price is updated, so let's check this one. This is V-Guard Zenora. Let's check the images. Okay, its worth is 13,049, but you're getting it for rupees 7,999. That is 5,050 rupees. We are saving. That is 39% off. You can check the variants here. You can check the delivery. You can also protect this product by getting extended warranty and detailed information up here. You can also get to see what you can buy with this product, and you can also check out the different related products and compare it with. So let's go back. Okay, so these are, now let's check another one. Okay, this one, this is a new fashion, and it's very It looks good also. So let's check this one. Of course, you can see from this image that the machine is down and it can come direct to your sink. So this is a new fashion trend, and this is, I think it's really good also. And because it's your upper space is empty and it's below, it's not, in the eyes of people. So this is Aerosmith Z2 Plus under the counter. Please do focus on the counter. Water purifier, it is worth rupees 24350, but you will be getting it for 18,499. That is, you're saving 5851. That is 24% off. You can, of course, request for installation for this product, and of course, uh, other sellers, you should also check what other sellers are offering price, and of course do check the delivery price. It may be that the total means the product price and the delivery is same for all the sellers, and it may be different. So this is the detailed information about the product and what you can buy with it, and similar products that you can compare with it, and do check this. Right. So this was a deals and discounts for a particular product category on Crazy Deals from Amazon, which you can check out. And similarly, there are many more deals and discounts for other products also, as we know. Republic Day sale is going on Amazon till from 17th to 20th January. So do check out the deals and discounts. Uh, I hope you like this video. Thank you. Crazy deals from Amazon. आई होप गाइस अभी जो आपने डील्स देखे हैं आपको पसंद आए होंगे. ये एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी के ऊपर है, बट ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज़ मोर प्रोडक्ट्स जिन पे डिस्काउंट्स हैं. ऑफ कोर्स हर कैटेगरी के प्रोडक्ट पे डिस्काउंट है. ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज़ ग्रेट रिपब्लिक डे सेल जो 17 से 20 जनवरी तक है. सो गाइज ऑन अमेजन. सो गाइज इफ़ यू लाइक टू बाय फ्रॉम अमेजन देन डू चेक दिस वीडियो, एंड नीचे लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए हैं. अगर आप यूट्यूब पे देख रहे हैं, अगर आप फेसबुक पे देख रहे हैं, तो ऑफकोर्स क्रेजी डील्स फ्रॉम अमेजन माई फेसबुक पेज, उसको अगर अभी तक आपने अगर फॉलो नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ डू फॉलो. उसकी भी लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. So guys, I hope you like the deals and the video, and if you like this video, please do share it with your friends and family, and उस छोटे से बेल आइकन को ज़रूर टैप कर दीजिएगा जिससे कि आपको आगे की वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए. So guys, as we know, there is some severity in the atmosphere, and right now the cases are getting plus, so keep yourself protected. And as we know, winter is at its peak right now. अगर आप बहुत ठंडी जगह पे हैं तो of course you must be knowing. I'm also in one place यहाँ पे winter अच्छी पड़ती है. So keep yourself healthy and covered, and stay healthy. And guys, अगर आप अभी तक वैक्सीनेशन नहीं लिया है या दोनों वैक्सीनेशन नहीं हुए हैं, सो गेट योर सेल्फ वैक्सीनेटेड एज सुन एज पॉसिबल, जिससे कि आप इजीली ट्रांजिट कर सकें. एंड या स्टे हेल्दी, एंड अपनी फैमिली को भी हेल्दी रखिए. एंड put your mask on if you're going in public, and do sanitize your hands. It's very much important. So guys, I hope you like this video. तब तक के लिए toodles.